And what would you like to have for breakfast? Lunch?
Speechless. Speechless. That's how you make me feel. Though I'm with you, I am lost for words.
Can you talk to me? Can you stop this? Can you talk to me? I'm your wife. Talk to me. Can you stop? Can you stop?
And silently I pray. Helpless.
He's going to hate me more whatever he does to me. Honey. Sam, listen, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
You just shut up! What are you sorry about? Huh? For cheating on Harry or for having my own girlfriend as a sex partner? Listen, get out of my house. Get out! Get out!
No, Sam, he doesn't got into that. Listen, you don't know what I went through with your friend.
What else do you want? Harry gave you love. He showed you care. What else do you need as his fiancé? What else?
Sam, I was in hell. Harry, I saw.
Just shut up, you're a liar. You're a liar. You're looking for a way just to get out of this. I'm trying to protect your act, that's it.
No, Sam. Sam, that is the problem. That's what everyone thinks. Everyone thinks Harry loves me to the teeth. But when he's at home, he becomes a monster. Harry abuses me mercilessly. He maltreats me like I'm some sort of a demon in the house. He hits me every day like I'm a house help. And then I met Helen. She was the only first person I could tell about my love ordeal. And she promised to help me.
Purely by having same-sex way of life, I guess.
No, not so, Sam. I couldn't stand Harry. I just know why I can stand Harry. I couldn't. So I wanted to make him see a different me. I wanted him to see me in a different sort of way. I don't know what.
Right. So lesbianism was the only way she chose to help you with. You know, I don't blame you. I blame Harry. So Harry thinks he can fool everybody. My own girlfriend. A lesbian. No wonder she's been avoiding me.
To say, no matter what you think, you and me, I'm here to stay. I'll be there for you, and all I'm afraid and ask and wish is you and me. No matter what I do, no matter what I say, no matter what I think, you and me, I'm here to stay. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. And all I pray and ask and wish is you and me. No matter what I do, no matter what I say, no matter what I think.
What?
You and me.
Stop it. This is sweet.
I'll be there for you.
Tony, right? Who else do you see? Of course you're not see. I'm not sure about that, just. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What are you doing in the house? You brought this bitch here?
Oh, Harry. to be the only girl that makes me happy. Can I ask you something? When was the last time you touched me or ever put a smile on his face? Can you remember? No. Well, I wanted you to see what I have become. You know what? You can keep this. It's over. Baby, let's go. And you can have a full house to beat for yourself. Super major loser.
You know what, Harry? Women don't talk too much. They don't beat women. You're a fool for not knowing what a lovely sensation your Efe is having. She is lovely. So sweet.
Don't put it at your mouth!
Got you there! Let me tell you something about me. Men don't bullshit me. I keep them where I want them to be.
Well, you can have a full house to beat for yourself. Super major loser. Baby,
You might help! Sam, this whole thing is your fault. Believe me, your fault! What? How could you? Huh? Friend, I can't do anything, I can't reason well, I can't think straight without the thought of the whole thing in my head. Why did you take me to that hotel?
You're just an animal. Do you think I was happy seeing her with Helen? Huh? You treat her so badly, and you camouflage your unending love for her in public. While at home, you're nothing but just a motherfucking monster. That's what you are.
Look, you don't get it. Don't go blaming me. It's not my fault. Listen. I was going through hell before I met Efe 4 years ago. My ex-girlfriend, she called me cheating. And then she started ranting. Okay, I got angry. I hate her. Yes, you have to hurry up. Yeah, you did. Yeah. Okay, I know you want me to see you off to the airport, but honestly I can't. I have to go now. I'm running late.
It's okay, not to take you to the airport.
I'm sure, cool. Thank you. You too, I'll miss you. Have a safe flight. Call me once you get there. Okay? Alright, I'll try. Be a good girl, okay? Alright, don't look at any man there. Don't worry, I'm sure. You know me, I can't do that kind of thing with you. I love you. Alright. Yeah, hold on.
Very sure.
Stop me, don't me, stop me. Just listen to me. Stop me.
It was just an hour toilet. It was even bad.
Believe me, I've never cheated on you for one, not even one day.
I hate you.
You're right.
Harry. You'll never have peace. You'll never have.
Richard, please, don't do this, please. I'm really very sorry. Don't do this, please. Richard, please, Richard. What? She died. Oh yes, she died. But before she died, she told me that I will never ever have peace. I will never know peace in the house I choose to call my home. Since then, it's just been crazy for me. Okay? If he's the only person who can bring me out of this misery, if he's the only person who understands me, who knows me, I've been going through hell. My ex-girlfriend has been tormenting me, even in my dreams. Look, I love Ife. She understands me, she knows me, she loves me. I can't go searching for another woman. But I feel I'll just die if I do that. Sam, you need to help me find her, please.
She just left here.
Excuse me. What happened?
Don't ask me. She said you know where to find her.
I know where to find her.
Yes.
Where?
A million tears, a million pains, a million cries comes out from my eyes. A guinea can get me. It's you, amor. I never pray for thee. I never wish for this. I need a mentor who can advise. I need a lover, someone to cherish you. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say when you come go?
Sam, I'm confused. Believe me, I can't guess where to find her. She has no friends, neither do I. You're the only person she knows. I don't know.
I always said, the very first time you've spoken the truth.
Oh, babe, I'm sorry. Believe me, from the depths of my heart, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. I can't let you keep suffering for something you know nothing about.
You kept it as your own little secret and let me suffer the bruise.
No, it was an accident. I promise you, I won't.
I already know about your ex-girlfriend.
You knew? How? How?
I saw the dress in your wardrobe the first night I slept in your house. And I saw the date written on the dress, the day she caught you sleeping with a lady.
Yes. That was the dress she wore on our last outing. You mean you knew about this and you kept it hidden?
Harry, I always watch you crying in your dreams and I listen. And that is why I chose to stay, to help you fight it out. I thought you were going crazy crying in your dreams all night and day. But I was the crazy one receiving the beating and hitting from you. Every night you sleep and wake up. I know everything. I know everything, Harry.
Vivi, please. My love, please. Please, will you ever forgive me?
Harry, there is one man I want to spend the rest of my life with. It's you.
It's not that.
So what?
What happened to Kome?
What happened to Kame? What happened to my sister? Son? What happened to my sister? What happened to my sister? Listen, if anything ever happens to my sister, I will not forgive you. No.
Yeah.
Is the doctor around?
Of course he is.
Yes. Good afternoon, doctor.
Good afternoon.
Good day, doctor.
Oh, good afternoon.
How is she doing?
But you came here and discharged her.
Me? No, it can't be me. I was never here.
Oh, excuse me, doctor, that's not possible. She's just finding out about her sister's condition.
I am telling you that you discharged the lady from this hospital.
Excuse me? Doctor, where is my sister?
Receptionist, get me Connie Williams' car.
Alright, sir. Yes.
This is your signature, isn't it?
Honey, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. After everything that happened between us, before we got married, I thought you would leave me. That's why I was acting up. I didn't want to give so much because I didn't want to get heartbroken and then I would die.
Isn't there a difference between a relationship and marriage? You made me do things I never wanted to do. You made us lose our baby. You pushed me out in the street and got me involved in extramarital affairs.
I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. You don't know how sorry I am. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Please. Your food is at the dining.
I am not hungry.
Please stop punishing me like this. Please, I know. Please, please.
What do we do now? This is a very serious situation.
Harry! Harry, if you don't look for my sister, be ready to have troops of policemen in this compound. I am just going to give you 24 hours to bring my sister back to me.
No, Fear, please calm down. Eh? It hasn't got to that yet. Huh? Listen, if you involve the police in this issue, it will not help us find Kobe. Just calm down. Don't forget that it was your own signature that we found in that file. Please, calm down.
What do you expect of me, Sam? What are you saying? Look at me. Where is Kobe? Where is my only sister? No, Harry. Harry, I will take anything from you. I don't mind you. If you want to kill me, Harry, but please, not for my sister. Not for my sister, Kobe, Harry. Listen, if you don't bring my sister back to this house, I am going to leave this house for you.
Wait, wait. He hasn't got into this.
Just got into it.
Leave. Okay, look, I don't even know what to do. But I give you my word. Okay, I give you my word. I'll bring her back home safely.
Believe me, Harry. If you don't bring my sister back to this house, I will leave.
No, come on, sweetheart. He hasn't got to do this. Don't tell me you leave now, please. What? Sam, help me talk to her, please.
Just let her be. Alright, please calm down.
I don't know what to do. I'm so confused.
Let's go.
Sam, you know what? I am beginning to understand that you guys are keeping me in the loop for a business we planned for many years. But listen, whatever planning or whatever things you people are doing, make sure it is for the good of this organization.
Collins, please. Nobody is keeping you in the loop. You see, we're just trying to sort out some things.
You said what?
I said we are trying to sort out some things.
We. I understand that you are there, I am there. If it's there, Harry is there. But if there is any other external, which is a we, believe me, it's not going to augur well. You see, it is clearer to me that each time I want to contribute for the well-being of this organization, you are the one to shut me down. And that I don't like to be shut down. Credible men are not to be shut down. Just understand that I'm waiting and I'm watching. Because I don't like this whole scenario, this whole thing that is happening. I don't understand it. You should let me know I'm your partner. We're in this business. Please. So I won't say I've been saying. See you there.
Yeah, what can I do for you?
You don't remember me, right?
No, I am sorry. If I do, I will not be asking.
Okay. We had a meeting some weeks ago regarding the pageantry exhibition. I was one of the delegates they sent over here from Abuja in our last meeting.
Trisha.
Yes,
I'm so sorry. My bad, alright? You see, I have lots of things on my mind. You know, my head's so full. I'm sorry. So, when did you get into Nigeria?
2 days ago. You know, I've been trying to reach Harry, FA's manager, but I don't know what happened. It wasn't picking. I left a note with your secretary. Didn't she tell you?
Well, like I said, you see, I have lots of things in my head right now, So tell me, how are you? How was your trip?
It was just fine. Okay. The National Promoter Chairman has confirmed your assessment on your crew. They'll be going with your team. Here are the list of persons involved.
Trisha, I did not get any notice as regards to this. No calls, no texts, nothing.
Yes, I'm so sorry. It was very urgent and we don't really want any loopholes. That was why they sent me directly to you or Harry.
Well, that means you are one of the crew members.
Yes, and we need to get ready. We only have 2 weeks left before the exhibition. What?
No, it's nothing. I'm just trying to say, I think we might have a little meeting before you leave.
What did he say?
What I'm trying to say is, I will keep in touch with you as soon as possible.
Okay. In that case, I'll be in my hotel room.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
leave me. Just kill me. Kill me.
Why is Harry not taking his calls? Even if they're not taking my calls.
Harry. You will never have peace.
Richard!
You see, the most important thing and the truth to be told is that I'm happy that you are here. It's not easy for somebody to come from the national level, from the federal level to be here. Are you getting what I'm saying? But what I don't really understand is why Sam hasn't gotten any call from the national. Has he told you why he hasn't gotten any call?
No. Well, I believe Sam is hiding something. Yeah, because he told me the last time that something is bothering him.
Sam. And you believed him?
Of course I don't. I asked him to fix a date for a meeting before I travel the States.
You see, like I said before, it's not a mistake you are here. Thank God you're here because you're really going to hit them and you're going to hit them very hard. The problem is that I don't know why he's holding back something, because I believe he's holding back something. But even at that, you're going to play along with the changes that's going to hit them very hard.
You're a cunning traitor, you know.
You just say traitor? Of course. I am not. I'm only trying to play along with them so that I find out, dig out this information they are hiding. Are you getting what I'm saying? But like I said before, you know, I don't know, you came back from national level, from the high level, whether you got something from me, maybe one of these phones, you know, those big. But let me ask, why is it that you ladies these days use big phones and big, you know?
I don't know, I just liked it. That's all.
Probably. You're not looking bad, you're looking so sweet.
Thank you.
Let me not go more so that I won't miss my job. Let me just leave it at business.
Harry.
How did it go?
One of the delegates here, and here's the list of those who does.
Hold it. Yeah, I'm not here. Sam, I'm not here. Things are just going wrong. Okay, I'm not coordinated at the moment. Efe is not here with me. Her sister Kome is missing. Right? The team is just breaking down. I can't be seen having these meetings when things are going wrong. Efe is not here. Her sister is at large. Fix these meetings, okay? Handle the meetings. Do anything you can to move us forward. Better still, call Collins. Right? You guys can work together.
But Harry, you know I cannot hold any meeting without you. You are Ife's manager. I mean, you speak for her.
Sam, you can't understand what I'm doing. What if Ife finds out? What will she say? I can't be seen having these meetings.
But we cannot be losing two things at the same time. Alright, fine. This is what we'll do. We'll go to the office, sort all this out, and we'll go look for a solution to bring back Kome and Ife. That's what we'll do. I've not heard from you or Ife for quite some time now, so I don't even know what to do. Huh?
Fix it, okay? See, you're a very brilliant guy. Very intelligent guy. Do anything you can. Fix this meeting. Just move us forward. I need rest. Do anything you can. Believe in you.
It's alright. Alright, what if I decide to bring in Brown to stand in for you as a clientele for this short period of time?
Brown, my younger brother?
Yes. Brown is good in issues like this. I mean, that way you have chance to look for Kome, you have free chance to move around and do other stuff. I prefer working with Brown than Collins.
Sam, just move us forward. Do anything.
It's alright. I'll be inside.
How long have you been here?
3 minutes. So these are the files I could find.
Oh, thank you.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
No, you are not, sir. You are fighting with yourself. Uche, she's still your wife no matter what.
And what would you call what you and I had?
I don't know. What would you call it? You know what? Truth be told, I have never felt what I felt for you for anybody in this world. But we can't continue when our partners are beside us waiting for us to get back to their lives.
I am not on the side of pity to reconcile a relationship that would sink me. I am on the side of love, care, attention, affection. Don't you get me?
And I cannot stand in the way of your wife. Don't you get it? She needs you just as David needs me.
So I am alone in the deep blue sea.
I don't have an answer to that.
Okay. You may now go.
Yeah.
That was what happened, Brown. Rachel never died in any plane crash. She died by my own hands.
That was a chronic lie you told her parents. Her mom and dad wept bitterly for her.
I didn't want them to start looking for a corpse. Or, start raising eyebrows on me.
How did you manage to tell such a chronic lie when you knew she was not in that flight?
Same flight that crash landed in Calabar.
Whoa.
I mean, that was a coincidental disaster you framed that death with.
But where is Ife now?
I don't know.
Does the family know about Kume's disappearance?
I don't think so. They would have visited me.
Well, if you ask me, big bro, I would say, let's go back and live in that house.
No. I can live there. You can go stay there. I'll be fine.
Come on, big bro. It's your house. Would I be living in a hotel room when a big house like that is empty, with lots of rooms and space in it? Okay. What if a family finds out and decided to pay you a visit? How would you know if they came? Do you want them to start thinking that you used their daughters for some ritual stuff or something?
Brown, enough! I just told you I'll be fine here. I'll stay with my friend Sam. You can take the house.
I don't need any house, okay? When I have a chance, I'll visit there.
Madam Budema.
So how are you?
I'm fine, ma. You're welcome. But Oga no dey house.
Where did he go and when?
He come out. For some days now, he never come back.
Days?
Yes, madam.
Are you sure there is no one in this house?
My madam, I sabi when I don't drink. But this time, my eye clear well. My Oga and Oga Sam. Now two of them come out. Now me, Yusuf, the blessed Nwikuku, carry this my hand, open the gate for them come out. Since that time, them never come back.
Alright, Siva, I'll come in.
Yes, madam.
You're running around looking for her. Rest assured that you'll never find peace. You and Harry will never find peace.
Harry.
Ife. How did you get here? When did you get here?
I walked in.
Harry! 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 Harry!
Yes. Honey, you're back so early. Emily.
Yeah.
Emily.
Yeah, that's it.
What? You didn't tell me you're visiting.
Sis, I don't need to inform you that I'm coming for you to get prepared for me. Actually, I wanted to surprise you.
Look at you, you're so grown now. How are parents doing?
They are good and they asked me to greet you guys.
So tell me, why are you here?
Oh, sis, let me have some rest first. You know, it's a long flight and I'm actually tired now.
I understand. Come, let me show you to your room, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you look good. Ouch. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited.
Hello, Sammy! 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 No, Sammy, please, I need you. You need to come to the house now. I don't know what is wrong with Harry. I don't know what is... Harry! Sammy, please, I need you in the house now, please. Okay.
Emily.
Brother Che, you're welcome.
Thank you. You didn't tell me we were coming back from the States.
Oh my goodness. Everybody is so concerned about me coming back to my own country.
Of course!
Dad and Mom approved of my coming back. So I don't see how that should be a problem to anyone.
So, how long have you been here?
It's been a while.
Ah.
You're looking so handsome.
Hey, stop.
More
I just
handsome.
came back from work stressed up.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What's happening here?
There's no problem at all.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Absolutely nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. Have a seat.
I went to the house and the security told me he saw him with you last. And I know you don't want to be alone. So I decided to come.
My love, don't leave me. I beg you in the name of God, don't leave me. I'll find your sister. Please, I'll do anything I can to find your sister. Don't go.
Baby, I will never leave you now. Come on.
Nice to see you again, Efe.
Nice to see you too, bro. By the way, what brought you here?
I called him to stand in for us in the meeting. Your absence left me shattered. I couldn't do those meetings, but I called him.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you very much, bro.
This is family issue. No, I need to be here, not for any reason else, but for family's sakes. It's my brother, my big bro.
Oh, thank you. So kind.
Alright. So, what's happening now? I am very, very hungry.
Man, me too.
You're very hungry.
Huh? Me? No. I'm fine.
So, come on, bro, relax.
Yeah, okay. If you like, no.
I'll smoke.
You smoke.
No matter what you do, no matter what you say, no matter what you think, you and me, I'm here to stay. I'll be there for you. And all I pray and ask and wish is you and me. No matter what I do, no matter what I say, no matter what I think, you and me, I'm here to stay. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. And all I pray and ask and wish is you and me. No matter what I do, no matter what I say, no matter what I think, you and me.
I can't believe we have water that takes this boat. Rock sand. Wow. From now on, you rock my world.
What you do, no matter what I say.
Ever since I came in, you both have not been talking to each other. Is peace in this house at all?
And what sort of rubbish question is that? Huh? Since you got here, have you seen anyone fighting? If you don't have anything else to say, you better go inside. Do you hear me? Amiibo.
At least someone has spoken to me properly.
What have you come home to do?
Okay, brother. Mom and Dad asked me to come back and join the family company.
Liar. Dad asked you to come join the company, the family company, and he didn't call us to notify us? Huh?
Well, if you think I'm lying, you can't call them to verify. That's why I came back. Nothing more.
Dear Emily, I'm sure she doesn't get this alamoyo. Oh yeah, who your man go? I don't want it.
I'm off to my bedroom. Good night, everyone. Good night.
Hurry up, man.
Almost done, little brother.
Yeah. Hey. Are you guys ready for the office?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We'll just do as we have discussed, to be wiser if the police starts investigating it from the hospital, then we just wait for her returns.
Alright, in that case, I will need some of her pictures.
I have some in the house, we can go get.
Well, I might have. No, going.
Okay, I understand. Why don't we do it this way? The both of you go straight to the station while Brown go to the house and get the pictures. Then I'll just head straight to the office.
Oh, okay, yeah, cool. Just go to the master's bedroom. Okay. The left drawer, open it, you see some of Comet's pictures there.
I should be going there, okay?
Alright, thank you.
The keys.
Okay.
Is it locked?
No, it's not locked. It's open. I went in.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Bye.
Yo, take care.
See ya. Don't run, it's me. It's me.
You're welcome, sir.
What is wrong? You kept me waiting.
But Oga is not in the household.
Yeah, I know. They are in Sam's house. Okay?
But Oga, come back, sir. Waiting they happen for this house, sir.
Like what?
Because me too, they fear, oh. Now so noise and cry. Now they here for this house every night.
What's he doing here?
Hey! Last night on be say I don't shit for my boxers, shit for my trouser. Last night, now so noise and cry. The thing be like staying a Boko Haram bomb.
You hear voices at night.
Nah,
nobody's in this house.
Nobody is in the house.
Are you sure, Yusuf?
I'm sure, sir. How can I tell a lie, sir?
Okay, let me check.
You can go to check. But Oga, come back. Come. Please, sir. Just wait for me here. Make I go check him. I go come back. Come tell you what I say. Please, sir.
Are you sure you're okay?
No, nothing is wrong with me, sir. But just wait for me here. I know what's in the talk.
What is wrong with you?
No, nothing is wrong with me, sir.
Okay, go.
But just wait for me here. I know what's in the talk.
Okay,
please, sir.
Go.
Yes, sir. I remember. The house is open. I remember now,
You
sir.
must be mad.
Yes, sir.
You are stupid.
The door is open. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You like that was door? You're mad. Not scientifically proved. You're stupid. Yes, sir.
Idiot. Now get inside.
Yes, sir.
Stupid fool.
Hey. But Oga.
Idiot.
Okay, now what can they do?
Hey, get inside then.
Hey.
Nonsense.
You better come back, oh. Now what can they do? I don't want anything happen to you, sir.
I still keep this gift I bought for Aisha. I love you, Harry.
never have peace.
Hi, Mr. Man. What can we do for you people?
I want to make a formal report about a missing person.
Report. Okay. So, which of you is making the report?
Both of us.
My friend, will you come this side? He said you are here to make a report of who?
Missing person.
Missing person? What will be the name of that person?
Kome Tobechukwu Williams.
Kome Tobechukwu Williams.
Kome
Tobechukwu Williams. Okay. What will be her age?
23, sir.
23. Okay. 23.
Madam, since when she started the miss?
Almost a week.
One
Yes, 1 week.
1 week. And you people just they come now. Hey God. Well, when did you see her last?
But that was the day I took her to the hospital for treatment.
Hospital. So which hospital is that?
Mark Lewis Hospital.
Mark Lewis
Hospital. Okay. Okay.
Here's the pictures. And I found this.
Drop something, please.
Yes. Yeah. Inside the house.
Drop something. You just look me and I said drop something.
Yes.
Ah. Okay.
Yes, drop it.
Well, here's a picture of the missing person.
Oh. I find girl she do.
Hey, it's a fine girl.
Well, see what you do now, eh? Write your number, your name and your address. We will perform our duty.
It's okay. It's okay.
You people can now go, eh? We will give you a call.
Thank you.
Okay.
And now, bye-bye.
Nice.
It's money.
That is we just take this on top. God don't matter.
Hey, Lord.
Let me just.
Come in. I was about coming to your office when you knocked.
Uche, sir, there's something I need to talk to you about.
Yes, there's something I want us to discuss.
I missed my period.
That means you're pregnant. Tell me you're pregnant.
I was.
You were. What happened?
I flushed it out.
You what? You flushed my baby out. Why?
Listen, I don't want complications. I already have a baby with David.
You have a child. And you decided to flush my own child. Why?
Sorry,
Why are you women so wicked?
I'm sorry.
Why are you so evil?
I'm sorry.
Get out of my office and don't you ever step your feet here again.
You want me to go?
Go read Ecclesiastes 7:26. Get out.
Sam, I don't understand what is happening here. Can we go straight to this meeting than waiting for Brown? I don't understand. Please.
Collins, I need you to calm down. Calm down. Brown is representing Harry. You don't have any choice. You have to work with him. There is nothing I can do about it.
I've had this thing many times. Representation, cliente. I am not too comfortable with this. I am not. You need to wake up and take up your responsibilities in this office. Wake up. Forget about Brown. It doesn't make sense.
It's okay. Please, calm down. You see, at times I ask myself, what's your problem with this Brown? Calm down. Fine. You don't have a choice. You have to work with him. That's it. Remember, we need 8 crew members in this, and he is among them. You don't have it. There's nothing you can do about it. Take it.
Me?
Yes.
Collins, accept Brown in this organization. It is going to be war. I will not accept this individual. Whatever you call it, a client, a representative in this organization, this promoting business we are in. The other time you talked about we, and I was asking you about we, you were fidgeting, you could not give me a definite answer. I'm not going to take this shit. This is a showbiz. People from national or anywhere cannot just wangle into. I'm not going to take this. I don't believe you'll be saying all this. Let me tell you, I'm not happy. Sam, I'm not comfortable with what is going on in this office. Honestly, I'm not happy. What is this thing all about me being Connie in this organization? I'm not comfortable with that.
Collins, please, can we just stop all this talk about you being Connie? Alright? Because I have so many things in my head, I don't even know where to start from. Just, let's put our heads together and solve problems. Forget about you being Connie. We have lots of things to worry about. Please.
You see, that is your problem. You are so alone, so secretive, so on your own. You don't want to let me into this problem. Can you let me into this? Probably I can provide a solution to it. Tell me, I'm your friend.
Problems are much. Harry's problems. Ife's problems.
That is more reason you should let me know what the problem is all about. I am here. You know I'm one of the credible men in this organization, so you should let me know what the problem is all about. I will help.
Well, never mind. We'll handle it.
That is your problem. Keeping to yourself. It doesn't make sense. When you open up to me, I open up to you, things will begin to manifest. I'm not comfortable with what is happening. I'm not comfortable.
Good evening. Uche, what is wrong with you?
You are everything that is wrong with me. Get pregnant? No. Have sex with me? No. Now you have made the only woman who was carrying my baby to flush out because of your insensitivity and her stupidity.
She is. You mean you want another woman pregnant?
You shut up your mouth! Why deceive you?
Oh my God, no.
I tell you. After tonight, I don't see you in my house again.
What? Sister, did you hear? Where do you want my sister to go?
You are the cause of every single problem in this family. You can go to hell for all I care.
You are the cheats, okay? You are the ingrates. You cheated on me. You are ungrateful for everything I've ever done for you. You got another woman pregnant. Do you know what that means? Oh my God, I don't need to cry. Oh God, you got another woman pregnant. Don't need to cry.
I'm ingrate. Don't you call me an ingrate in my house?
You can't believe this. I'm going to deal with that fool. I'm going to deal with him.
Hey. Hey. You have been pissing around since you returned from this meeting. How did it go?
What kind of question is that? One idiot. One fool that called himself Brown. Think he can talk to me with impunity in the meeting? That I don't have all it takes to be in this organization? Imagine that. Why would you be asking me Brown when I'm asking you Brown? They said he's a client, a representative standing in for Harry. I don't understand those crap. And as long as I'm concerned, Credit Way do not discuss such rubbish. Standing in for somebody, what is that supposed to mean?
Yes, that's what
Hello? What? Which police station? Alright, I'll be right there. Alright.
Please sit down.
No, we don't need to sit down. We don't need.
Mr. Sam.
Yes.
We went to Brown's office and he wasn't there.
Okay, so what's the problem?
That is the problem now. She made a call to the national chairman, and the chairman specifically said anybody that his name is not in the list is an illegal entity. So, Brown is operating here as an illegal entity. He doesn't have the right to be here. That's why we are here.
Wait. Which Brown are we talking about here?
Harry's younger brother.
Oh, the international clientele.
The international client. Collins.
Oh. Collins.
Yes?
Please. Brown is an international clientele and he has the rights to pull you down.
I didn't bring you here to insult me. I don't understand what it is. Is it a kind of conspiracy or what? You heard what the national chairman said when you called him, and now you're telling me in my face, is it because Sam is here? Did you call Sam before coming here? Did you people make any exchange of call?
Collins, you don't understand.
Understand what? You're embarrassing me before Sam. I don't like it. I hate when people embarrass me, especially women. It makes me crazy. You know what? I want to see outside. It's not the end of it. I want to see outside. Can I see you? I don't really understand what you're saying. What was that nonsense all about? What were you saying in there?
I don't understand. Do you want to put me into trouble?
That he has a right to do what? To put me down? What kind of nonsense is that? Do you know who you're talking, the caliber of man you're talking to?
Wait, the guy is an international client and he has the whole chance to pull you down. Yes.
I am here to understand that you are bribed, and if you are bribed, there is no way you can pull me down yourself. I thought I was dealing with somebody that is going to bring that idiot down, and then you are talking to my face with impunity that you're going to bring me down. You have with your brand.
Please, just wait.
Oh, Sam, same thing we're avoiding. They locked her up because she signed for Gomez's discharge from the hospital.
Let me call Brown.
No. Leave Brown now. Call my lawyer. Yes, call my lawyer right away. Yeah, I'll be right back.
okay.
I'm sorry.
You know I don't like seeing you cry. Please. Please. I can't believe you did this.
I will never forgive you.
Please don't talk like that. I got angry in the heat of it all. I regret every single action I've taken.
Sister, it's okay, please. Please. You know when you cry, I feel like crying too. Oh my goodness.
Oh God. Oh God. I can't believe you hit me.
Do something.
Suchi, you hit me.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. I am.
It's forgiven. I think this is a temptation. Sorry, okay?
I used to be his girlfriend, but he knows my plans right from the onset.
Have you sent the message to the national chairman?
I'll do that when we get to Abuja.
Send it now before we leave this hotel room.
Brown, relax. I said I will do that when we leave this hotel.
Tricia, I heard your conversations. Let me have your phone.
For what? I can't give you my cell phone.
Really? In that case,
give me the damn phone!
You think I don't know your pranks with the chairman against me? Huh? So you want to use me to get to the top, right? I know all your games. For your information, your connections and trips with my clientele group is cancelled. Hello, Mr. Chairman. This is not Tricia. Yes, it's me, Brown. When you have a haul to dig information from me, send an intelligent and expensive one. Good day. Rubbish. Try that next time.
I don't want to lose the chance given to me after 8 months of not participating in my job fully. Please, just play cool with Brown or you forget the exhibition. Please.
Sir, I went to Brown's office and imagine he walked me out, telling me that I'm no more in a phase team. I don't understand what is happening. What is that supposed to mean?
How don't you understand? I mean, what do you expect when you don't have little respect for him? I mean, you don't like this guy. You don't expect him to just accept you just like that. Try and show him little respect and everything will be just fine.
Are you the one talking about respect? I thought we have sorted all these things out. Respect. Okay, you know what? It seems to see if a first predicament is bringing you down. That is exactly what is happening. I want to tell you here and now, with or without you on ground, I must carry out my arrangement.
You don't try it. Listen, I am telling you, don't try. Don't do anything without me or Brown's instruction. You have to follow instructions accordingly. Fine. You know what you're going to do now? Go to his office because I know he's there. Go and sort it out with him. Show him some atom of respect. He will show you the same as well.
I can't believe I'm hearing this from you. Well, I'm not surprised. You've been saying this thing. I know you as a credible man in this office. I don't know why you're stooping so low about this brown of a thing.
Harry, you buried my corpse in this house. You will have to exhume the remaining part of it yourself. Go to the police and tell them the truth. Send a message to my parents and tell them how I died. Else, she dies, and if he stays behind bars for nothing.
Why do you say concerning that last week, concerning those boys?
Sir, what's been happening? I've been trying to reach Harry, he's not taking his calls. I called his lawyer, he's not taking the time. I don't know what to do. I'm so confused. What's going on?
Just keep calling. Just
try
something. Try something. Hello, officers.
Harry! Come here! Where did you find her?
Officers, please release my fiancée. She's innocent. Arrest me.
What?
I'm responsible for everything.
What? Mr. Man, are you with your eyes at all? Are you sure of what you are saying?
Harry, are you sure you want to go this far?
It's alright. Let me pay for my sins.
No.
Officers, please release her. She's innocent. I'll tell you everything.
Yes,
Not
officer.
like
He's right.
Well, if you say so. Constable.
Sir.
Go inside and bring that woman.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Are you sure you want to do this, big bro?
I know, Mr. Man.
Come here!
Don't worry.
Come here!
And you, bring this young man over here. Fast.
No, sir!
What did you do?
Madam,
Hey, what did you do?
you're fine.
No!
You're fine.
A million tears, a million
Oh, I cannot leave you.
Madam.
Take me back.
I never wish for
it's okay.
I need a mentor who can advise. I need a lover, someone to cherish. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say when you come back?
Madam, I say it's okay. It's okay. You can take your leave now.
What am I gonna say when you come back? You come back.
It's okay. Yeah, you.
It's full of ups and downs. No matter what you do, I'm not perfect. I'm not a saint. I'm not who you think. A million tears, a million pains, a million cries comes out from my eyes. But can it can't get me? It's you I'm I never pray for thee. I never wish for this. I need a mentor who can advise. I need a lover, someone to cherish. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say? What am I gonna do?
You will not be fine. You will not be fine. You will not be fine. I know. You will not be fine.
Calm down. It's okay.
Sam, get it done. I'm not a saint. I'm not who you think. A million tears, a million pains, a million cries comes out from my eyes. Again, it can't get me. It's you I'm I never pray for thee. I never wish for this. I need a mentor who can advise. I need a lover, someone to cherish. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say when you come go call, when you come go bakuru? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say when you come go call, when you come go bakuru? This life is full of ups and downs. No matter what you do, I'm not perfect. I'm not a saint. I'm not who you think. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna say when you come go call, when you come